Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are looking at PayPal right now, looking for the dip buy. You saw here in the pre-market, investors didn't like earnings, so we're looking for to take advantage of this dip buy. We had a little pop here. I didn't get in time, but hey, there's still possibility here. We're testing the today's market highs, and we're getting some good news from the market. The GDP came in lower than expected, which made investors a little bit happy. I day traded VXRT in the morning for some small gains. Just a little warm-up trade to get myself going. But yeah, how are you guys doing this morning? And is there any stocks that you are looking at all? Let's see, testing. We're watching PayPal. I'm just going to test by PayPal. Let's just go one simple share. One share. And in case you were wondering, my trade for SQQs, I ended up forgetting about that. I barely had any shares. I think I lost like $2 because I wasn't watching it. I was up, like I said, probably like 40 cents or something. Like nothing major, but let's see. So it looks like our one share of PayPal got filled, and we'll be trying to buy the dips. Dip buy. That's what we're doing. Trying to buy the dips. Let's see. Let's see how the rest of the market is reacting. TQs follows the Nasdaq. Remember, the Nasdaq had a big push because, like I told you, the GDP came out with some good news. So we got good news in the market, push in the market. Let's see. So this is always good to have. The market's kind of slowing up right now. We're currently watching PayPal. Seeing if it can bounce. And it kind of, it kind of had that bounce already in the pre-market. We're seeing if it can continue to push past previous highs. If it does, we're looking at 4 to 5%. Is what we're looking at there, 4 to 5%. Let's see here. AMC. If you guys been following me, I've been watching AMC like a hawk. I need that push past 40. I'm hoping AMC explodes. Like I said, it's not my favorite trade, but it's definitely a good day trade. You just gotta be careful of your position sizes, and I did not. Personally, I was not careful of my position sizes, and now I'm stuck in AMC position. 8 point, my long-term position. It's that's a story for another day, but I still believe in it. So today, PayPal, when it comes to day trading, slow and steady on this one. buy another share here. And it's testing 200 SMA line. Testing. You guys get good sleep last night? I slept okay here in sunny Arizona. The sun comes up early, so it kind of wakes me up, gets me kind of refreshed, but it's hard for me to get out of bed. But hey, I made it. I made it today. I can't complain. AMC testing $39 a share. Market testing whether it wants to drop. They are playing games. They are playing games with us. We got the good news pop, and then it's just slowing down on us. Which, I mean, you could see a drop here, most likely is what it's indicating. A drop here, and then after that drop, you could get a pop back up for the rest of the day. Let's look at the overall chart. Overall chart, the market's very bullish. We had this small little correction here, when we bought SQs. Like I said, I wasn't watching it, so I didn't take profit. Excuse me, and now we're popping here, testing previous highs. Can we get it to drop? Probably. There's going to get a point where it's going to squeeze. You're going to start seeing, this sort of like triangular pattern, and most likely when that happens, it's going to drop. It can pop either way, but no, most likely when that happens, there's a correction. I mean, see, like eventually the market corrects. Like we've had this strong bullish run, flat line, push up again. You can get a another small push, especially today. And another drop, pop back up. So, like I said, I think the market is still very bullish, which is always good for us. AMC still testing 39 range. We can get pushed past 39 into the 40s, past the 40s, 45s. I think we can get into the 50s. And that is good news for me, because I definitely want to be able to take a profit and day trade more aggressively here with you guys. Right? So I'm kind of stuck in this AMC position. My money's kind of tied up in some of my positions. Not my favorite place to be in, but I put myself in this position because I didn't manage my money properly. So you live and learn type thing. Kind of seeing this consolidation. PayPal consolidating too. Right now it's a pretty boring day in the market, except for our momentum play, which is VXRT, which we did pretty good on. Yeah, but not enough shares to make a difference. We have AMC testing 39.50. Trying to push past 40. Excuse me. Yeah, the overall market dropping a little bit, which is going to cause PayPal to drop. PayPal is really not moving the way I want it to, but I think if the market pulls back up, let's check the news on PayPal. Morgan Stanley lifts price target on PayPal to $340 to $337. Says we still really like PayPal. Maintains overweight rating. So their estimate on PayPal's price dropped to $3 for some reason. And same for so people are kind of like estimating that PayPal would go, it's going to go to 300 over time. So you know what, I could hold on to this one and swing trade it. So it's always good. You can see the market's trying to push back up. This is a slower day today. Was it Thursday? Yeah. And I've only bought 2 shares of PayPal, so nothing serious. The reason for that is just watching my share size, trying to be smart with my money. Not go too heavy up front. Because of the risk. AMC hit $40 and got rejected, back down to $39.87. AMC. Let's go, baby. If you're trading AMC, you have to understand that there's risk involved. I traded AMC, I got caught, and now I'm holding. I'm not afraid to hold. I've been through a lot with AMC. I understand that there's a potential profit to be made at AMC, and I think I can take advantage of it. AMC getting rejected, PayPal getting rejected. So can PayPal hold previous support levels? Can it hold? And so you saw where I draw the support, obviously testing That support level. Does it have to necessarily bounce from here? Nope. Can it? Yes. That's why we want to be careful. And PayPal is getting hammered. And this is why we do small position sizes. This is definitely going to be a long-term trade. Probably look at this. This is, you got this pop in the morning. It dropped. You found support. Got rejected. But didn't hold the support as of right now. And when you're in this position here, more often than not, you're gonna cut losses. Since we only have 2 shares, not really worried about it. 2 shares at an average at 286. It's currently at 283, so $6. Like I said, no, not too worried about it. And that's why we wait for confirmation to go 100% in. What is confirmation? Said this had given us multiple green candles going back up. We get a little bit more confirmation. I've been trying to test previous highs again. Like I said, the market's just open, so we're testing these support levels. We could see still a bounce here, potentially. Testing these support levels for sure. The overall market, however, is dropping a little bit, so obviously that is going to affect PayPal, AMC, as the overall market is dropping from today's high. Alright, we're getting pushed back up in TQ, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy some TQs. Start having this moving so slowly. I'm buying TQs here because I see a potential reversal. Alright guys, we're getting kind of excited. I see a potential reversal here. I see some consolidation that can happen here. It doesn't have to, like I said, nothing has to happen. But the market's moving slow. I see some buy orders. I think we could get a potential reversal. and it got rejected. I don't think, to be honest with you guys, I don't even think my order filled. Hmm. Well, guys, for some reason it's not filling my order, but you see my vision that it was about to happen. Look at this. Let me zoom in for you guys. It's consolidating. Yes, it can get rejected. Yes, I buy about, you know, small amounts of shares here for the potential reversal, which it's setting up for as a possibility move. Is it 100% no? Is it a risky play? Yes. Do I think it's possible for a pop? I do. Can it reverse? Yes. If you're in the Discord, you know that I said the market's going to be kind of tricky. It's kind of wishy-washy because, you know, of where it's at, and then obviously what's going on with like the Delta variant, GDP, Fed, other things like that, other variables that are affecting the market. So I wouldn't go 100% all in here. I would just do like 1 or 2 shares to start, and add as it progresses, as it proves that it would progress. Honestly, it's a slowdown market. Like I said, it's starting to consolidate. There's a potential point of reversal. But I'm gonna head out of here. Start my day off. And there's the rejection right there. The market is showing signs of selling off. It's really too slow, way too slow. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I know today wasn't the most exciting day, but we're staying updated, staying tuned. I just really want to watch this play out. Okay, I'm playing with this dead space here. What's your problem? Okay. PayPal. PayPal with a push from the CV. The link on my email. PayPal testing 200 SMA. Let's go. We got the rebound we were looking for. Thank you for indicators. Testing 200 SMA. Let's go. We got field. We got field. Average is 285.93. We're testing the 200 SMA. Can we continue to push? I'm going to add a few. See if it runs. And it did. And we're at a profit right now, boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. With the PayPal pushing. The PayPal pushing. I did have to use a little margin, but that's okay. Should we take profit, boys, or is we going to continue to run? I'm funny, bro. Ooh, that was good. Push, baby, push. Dude, there is lag like nobody's business, bro. On my computer, I'm getting... Wow. That is so annoying. On my computer, I gotta push up to 286.20 cents, and then like my phone lagged so hard it hit 220 for like a second. Or 286.20 for like a second. That's so annoying. Let's see if we can get a 286.15 sell. Ads testing 286. I'm trying to sell at 286.15 for a quick scalp as I bought on the way up. So I bought past the way. So obviously I bought a little bit to continue with, and yeah, it got rejected because freaking the lag, bro. It's so annoying. So bad, man. God, that's so frustrating. This is why you set limit orders, but whatever. Whatever. That's how they're gonna be. That's how they're gonna play. That's how they're gonna play, huh? You gonna play like that, huh? You gonna play like that? That's how you gonna play. But let's see. It didn't want to pass 286, but if we do pass this point, you know, I'm a happy camper. So this time, we are going to set a limit order. Limit order for PayPal. That is really frustrating. The TD Ameritrade, fix your lag, bro. Fix the lag. I'm setting a sell order at 286. And so you can see where it's marked right there. It will probably push higher, but I'm kind of mad at the lag. I'm mad at the lag. But once I get my 286 fill, I'm fill me. And we got filled, boys, and look it goes. Pushing past, like I called it. And I'm so mad because I sold early because I was mad. But it's okay. It's okay. I made a profit. It's okay. It's okay. We didn't lose money. Could have made more, but that's okay. Stupid lag. I don't know about guys. It's so frustrating. Watch. It's gonna continue to push. I'm out of here, bro. I'm done. I'm done. I don't care.